Welcome to the Memphis real estate market, where buying or selling a home is an exciting journey, but the closing process can seem complex. As your trusted realtor and licensed appraiser, I'm here to guide you through every step, ensuring a smooth and transparent experience. The closing process in the Memphis metro area, specifically Shelby County, Tennessee, is the critical final stage after an accepted offer. Tennessee is an attorney closing state, meaning a licensed closing attorney or title company handles crucial tasks like title searches and fund disbursement. This process typically spans 30 to 60 days, with an average of 45 days, ensuring a clear title free of liens for both buyers and sellers. For buyers, the journey begins with securing financing, often involving an appraisal to verify the home's value, which costs around $400 to $600 in Memphis. Next, a home inspection, costing $300 to $500, is crucial to check for issues like foundation cracks, common in Memphis's clay soils. A title search, reviewing 40 to 60 years of history, ensures there are no hidden easements or liens before issuing a title commitment. Finally, after loan underwriting and a final walkthrough, buyers wire their down payment and sign numerous documents on closing day. For sellers, the process starts with providing a Tennessee residential property disclosure statement on known defects, like flood history in Memphis flood zones. Negotiations often follow inspections, addressing repairs or offering credits, which can average $5,000 to $10,000. On closing day, sellers sign the warranty deed, transfer utilities, and receive their net proceeds after commissions and prorated taxes. Common questions include timeline delays, often caused by appraisals or title issues, affecting about 20% of transactions. Closing costs for buyers average 2 to 5% of the sale price, while sellers typically pay 6 to 9%, including commissions and local transfer taxes. In Memphis, median home prices hover around $220,000, meaning buyer closing costs range from $4,400 to $11,000. Sellers can expect to pay $13,200 to $19,800, including a Shelby County transfer tax of $4.15 per $1,000 of sale price. Understanding these details is crucial, and I'm here to answer all your questions, from who attends closing to backing out during contingency periods. For expert guidance on your next real estate transaction in the Memphis area, contact me today. Let's make your home buying or selling experience a success.